depression. I never knew what depression was. Sadly, last year I was going through depression.
Kanjani unwanted child kanjani?
But you need to cherish and appreciate each and every moment because namhlanje ku right kusasa kuyabheda. So imolo was more of a diss song. Manje sichaza sifucuzekile. Ngibatshela ukuthi
Nobody said it was gonna be easy. We're taking you to the top shelf. Ngitshela ukuthi ngimubi ngengoma futhi ngenhla futhi angisabe muntu obe futhi uma sihlala kacele bo bafana khohlwane ngiphume ekhaya inkani igcwele ikhanda ubona wena walento besakuma This album will be a safe haven, an album to heal.
Aubrey, welcome to the show, Unjani?
Phila wena.
It's so sharp, Tina. For umuntu ongazi, Aubrey, definitely 2018 was a big year because I remember Nati, we used to play that song so many times on our show, the one called Ngaqonywa. And shortly after we all fell in love with that song, either singer-songwriter or Sainiko Ntlagi laphayana Gosoni in 2018. Shout out to you, bro. Hey, mfethu, mina like the one thing I want to say to you right now, ayibafo indwangu ayayihlephula. Ay swag yakho uyayihlephula lento ekuthini swag, yazwa? And I want to actually go back in time now because we're going to talk about the album that's out manje, the Mkabayi Legacy, but we need to go back in time, yabona, so that we can also learn as a fast laner a bit of stuff from your life journey as well. So asibuyele ekhaya le Olundi sibuza ukuthi ke izinto shintsha kanjani for wena nomndeni wakho Olundi since you became lo Aubrey Qwana that Mzansi loves so much and supports so much.
Okay, uqala ngibingelele sanibonani balaleli igama lami Aubrey Qwana uzibulala mfana sala ishinga lenkosazana Mkabayi ibhinqa lesimanje sichaza sifucuzekile ngimali enzansi oluntu mahlihli ensanje nemagaza gijima igazi gijima uthukela
Mosho
mina engakusho inkinga ukuthi mangisekhaya ngumfana omncane ngingane indaba ye brand sunezingiphuma nje mangeke ngafike 19 hawu
bafesana bethi nazi inkomo mfana wami inkomo sidinga ukuye deepini
akudlalwa phela when you home no mina ngiyakuzwa bafo mina ngiyakuzwa ukuthi vele uthungwe nje esitolo kuthiwa awuthenge isinkwa siphelile ubaba ukuthi awunkosi yami you understand ukuthi if ngiye esitolo manje I'm going to probably have to take 50 pictures between that here and there and back again ngiyakuzwa bafo
awu ngisho negrocer bakuthuma ukuthi awuhambe ubambe igrocer abuthi uObri kusala le bathi
obani ke who come to mind abafika emqondweni uma ucabanga ngemumva lakho usakhula khona Olundi and what kind of influence do they have empilweni yakho
mina ngasho ukuthi abantu abadlala indima kakhulu empilweni yami ngasho ukuthi like especially uqala athi ngiqale nje ngomusic kakhulu umusic ngikhule ngesikhathi iera le uthi iRadio ningikwazi ukuyilalela ngeweekend kuphela even iTV anibuka iTV nje akusiyo yengane ngisho usofa kuhlala esofeni nihlala phansi ngihlala phansi iTV kusiyona yengane so njalo ama weekend umculo ubunokudlala kakhulu emsakazweni even noma makuthiwa abadlala ama cassettes kwakumculo omkhulu ombhaqanga nomaskandi kakhulu kazi ikhansela no JBC naso
ngiyalikhumbula
yabona nje lawo bantu growing up ingasho ukuthi ibona abantu abadlala indima because ngaqala ukuthanda lapho umculo even though ngangingazi ukuthi one day mhlawumbe ngizobe nginesihlale ngikusona namhlanje kodwa kwakuyinto engiyithandela ngoba ngiyathanda ukusinga longa ngathi ingoma ekanjalo and then I end up falling in love with khona iqembu lakudala iPlatform 1
ngibona
benza ingoma zomshado so ngithe bangibuyele emculweni mina ngathi I think usound engawuthanda mina ongekho njengamanje especially I chose ukuthi ngispecialize ngengoma zomshado hence why the first song I ever released was Ingaqonywa.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Got that.
You've spoken a lot about mental health, you know, and your struggles with mental health. What I want to find out from you is, do you think that the music industry is a part of the contributing factor to the mental health issues that you struggled with? And if ngumlaleli or somebody a fast laner listening to the show, ati angi understand mini mental health, how would you then describe it to them?
Angeke ngiqale ngithi yabona into eziningi we don't see it as we grow up. We don't understand. We go through these things, but we never understand.
Right.
Because usukungazi ngayo. Even for example, even in depression, I never knew what depression was up until I looked it up. Ngafunda ngasho ukuthi lento abakhuluma ngala impilo yami ngiyayiphila on a daily basis and akukho mnandi. But I feel like we abokakhula sina indle emnyama kwaZulu nje ngibe specific kwaZulu nayo into ukuthi indoda ayikhali indoda ifela ngaphakathi which is not okay because we ask ukuthi inkinga malokho inqobelana and you don't find the solution and you don't speak about it iyakhelana yastakhelana the time yazi umuntu uma ukuthi yonke into lokho uyivalela ngaphakathi yazi umuntu engaxoba nje ikhona manje waxoba ikhona phelile uyo ungasho noma yini umshayi ngoba yonke into ibivalelekile and ukuphuma ngento encane futhi ubungakwazi ukuthi athi sorry mayithi sorry understand but for the fact ukuthi khona engeningi na yonke into obhekana nazo akukho indawo lapho ngasho ukuthi uyikhiphela khona noma ukwazi ukukhuluma because ukukhuluma kakhulu I feel like it's the best way of healing when it comes to anything that we go through because if ukwazi ukuyabona khona ukuthi as soon as uyikhipha you put it out there abakuthi umlomo uyadala kanti konke bakhohlwa nokisho ukuthi umlomo uyadala futhi umlomo uyakwazi ukuthi ukulaphe ukhulume ngento kade uyivalele uwedwa uhlezi ucabanga ngayo uwedwa kodwa as soon as uyikhipha kube khona ukuthi hey akusasiwona umthwalo wami ngedwa khona umuntu ongibambisile kulomthwalo
kuyavela la njengoba lokho ukuthi izinto zilokho enqombelana zibaningi njalo njalo kuyavela futhi nendaba ukuthi ubala ngisho nane childhood trauma ngesikhathi usakhula njalo nobaba wakho engekho and also ukubikwa indaba ukuthi you an unwanted child kanjani unwanted child kanjani
igama lami lesiZulu uvumani so igama lami laqhamuka ngokuthi ubaba bewulokuzane beumbholofiti enebandla laseZayoni yabo so ebenabo nje abafazi bebaningi umama besebenzele eGoli so umama befika aphinda hambe afike so kuyena ngoba umama mayisebuya phela ngoba phela kuthatha 9 months ukuthi uhambe kungabonakala ukuthi uyithwele uma usubuya akusho ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe akayithwa kuhambe kunjalo just that mayibuya ubuya sekuyabonakala so ubaba wathi hayi akusingane yami and then ngathi ngiqeda kuzalo ugogo wathi bathande into bazoyenza ukuvuma kuyosiza ukuthi nivume ukuthi lengane yenu even on the deluxe even on the deluxe I have a song that talks about that ekhuluma ngegama lami uvumana ukuthi laqhamuka kanjani ngoba laqhamuka lo ndlela ukuthi yebo wena ubona ngendlela obona ngayo kodwa iqiniso lithi eyakho and kumele uyivume.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that explanation as well. I think let's take a musical break, Manje, and go to a song that you can find on his latest album called Mkabayi Legacy. It's called Ivaga, and I had the pleasure of seeing a small live performance of Lingo Malena at the actual launch party. Aubrey Kwane featuring Umngobi Yazo, and also interviews like that I saw for the very first time, IMAX Soul, that blew my mind. What's it says?
The Gagasi First Lane. Weekdays 3 to 6 p.m.
Well, back to our chat with our guest, Aubrey Kwane. Aubrey, in 2019, something very unfortunate happened to you because you were involved in a car accident, which almost left you for dead. So, everything happens for a reason. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. What became clear in your mind and heart after leyo ngozi yakho?
Abantu abaningi banokuyiphambanisa kwangaseyami imoto enye inkabe engangisebenza ngalesa sikhathi kodwa engakusho ukuthi ngafunda ukuthi mfethu you need to cherish and appreciate each and every moment because namhlanje ku right kusasa kuyabheda and ngafunda lesifundo sokuthi njalo wonke umuntu around you need to just appreciate them ungabe khona umuntu ombona ngathi ungcono kunomunye wonke umuntu uyalingana and you need to make sure ukuthi inhliziyo enhle abakunika yona uyidlulisela bathi carry it forward ukwazi ukunika omunye umuntu ngoba akusho ukuthi ngoba usizwe mina namhlanje kusasa mele uphinde usize mina cha you carry it forward ukwazi ukusiza omunye the same kindness engiyithola, same thing, the same kindness engayithola ngifika ku music industry. U DJ Terenga ngazi wangena ku remix yavele yaphuma yadla abantu same way I approach how I'm pushing my career, because I work with a lot of artists ngihlangana nabo ko TikTok. Umuntu mayifuna iverse iverse angidayisa imfowethu ingoma yakhe imnandi ngiphe kwayo.
Before you tell us about your new project, I do know ukuthi enene ngeindaba ze-mental health futhi nazo wawuzuthena uzogcina emva kwe-album yakhe yokugcina uyawuyeka umculo. Kusenjalo namanje?
Kule kuzoba i-album yokugcina webhaya addressa like ngisho ukuthi under the concepts that I have mangikhipha i-album uMkabayi. I'm going to try to push something else, but it's still Afropop, but a different narrative, because it's very important for me ukuthi when I write music ngibhale as if diary ngathi ngibhala dear diary isimo sami sikanje kanje ngosolo ukuthi angijabulile ngalokho ono ngijabulile ngalo ingaka ukuthi the first song I dropped was ingaqonywa, literally ngiqeda qonywa intombi yasengishele for 2 years.
Okay.
You understand that with Imolo phela me I come from hip hop, so Imolo was more of a diss song. Yeah, because yes, I was going through ama feels ukuthi inkabe ngikhule nazo besupportana sonke lesikhathi ziyangijikela manje, but instead of ukuthi ngithi ngizobalisa ngcono ngithi bafethu ngiyanibona ngaloko mfulu into enzamuyenza and angikwazi ukubuyisela okubi ngokubi, so ngizothi nje sanibonani kuphela.
Sure.
My brother, uthi washela intombi for 2 years.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuvuma. Usesenayo namanje?
Awu nkabe yabona mfowethu khona into ngwele uunderstand. Umule bhayiteki ufika ule bhayi lokhu likhokhela kancane uyalithanda uma usulitholile akubekusaba lento kade lokhu
nayike usekuphendulile. Your new project is Khiphani izenzakalani, what should we expect?
Kule project lena ngikhethe nje ukuthulula kakhulu inhliziyo, touch lot of ama subject matters abalekile that I went through, especially in the past years, and because ngibona kuyinto ebalekile ukuthi experience, because I feel like as an artist we don't speak what's not cool out there. We only want to show the good side of everything and forget the hardships. Sadly, last year I was going through depression. First thing when I made this album, when I got through got out of it, ngayitshena ukuthi yonke into enhle embi engidlule kuyona from unyaka u2023, 2024, 2025 ngizokufaka konke engomeni ukuthi kumele, ngoba njengamanje ingane around us guys eqiniswe ukuthi akazi noma people know ukuthi kids are actually committing suicide.
Yes, it is so bad.
And it's really bad and nobody's talking about it.
So bad.
And it's not trending. You understand? Since people choose what they want to make trend, I'll be the guy that talks about those things, because I feel like I know it firsthand and they must know ukuthi when they're stuck in that dark times, they know ukuthi ukhona umuntu odlulile kule nto lena and it's somebody that they listen to on a daily basis. I'm a human being too.
Nice.
Shout out to that, man. Thank you so much for joining us. Kenam Mhlanje on the show. Aubrey Kwana on the Fast Lane album is out. It's called Mkabayi Legacy.